If you're stuck choosing between the Vivo X300 FE and the Vivo X300 Pro, here's the quick breakdown. Honestly, it really comes down to what matters more to you: comfort and value, or top-tier camera power. The Vivo X300 FE is the better pick if you like compact phones. It's lighter at just 190 grams, has a 6.31-inch display, and it's way easier to use with one hand. Plus, Vivo somehow packed a huge 6,500 mAh battery inside, so battery life is seriously impressive. You're also getting flagship-level Snapdragon performance at a much lower price. Now, if you want the absolute best Vivo has to offer, the X300 Pro is on another level. That 200 MP Zeiss periscope camera is the star here. Sharper zoom shots, better low-light performance, and way more detail. You also get a larger 6.78-inch display, stronger multitasking power, a much better 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and full 8K video recording. So, go for the X300 FE if you want portability and value. Pick the X300 Pro if camera quality and a premium big screen experience matter most.